episode of C Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making one of my favorite Korean dishes. We are making japchae. If you've never had japchae before, it's a Korean sweet potato noodle dish that is mixed with a ton of ingredients. We got some peppers, we got some carrots in there, egg, we got spinach, we've got all the delicious, yummy things. And just because there's a long list of ingredients, honestly, don't be intimidated. It's a pretty easy dish to make, and it only takes less than an hour to make. For me, it's a bit quicker because I've been doing this forever. Honestly, it's a great staple dish to add to your repertoire. And today I'm making a vegetarian version. If you wanted to have it with meat, it's usually cooked with marinated beef. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
All right, we got our ingredients here, lots of ingredients. I'm gonna start off with an onion. I've got a whole head of garlic. I have a big jumbo carrot, only using half, one red bell pepper, one free range egg. I've got some chopped scallions here, one bunch of spinach. We've got about a cup of shiitake mushrooms soaked, sweet potato noodles. We got some toasted sesame seeds, sesame oil, and of course, soy sauce. We're gonna start to begin to soak our dry shiitake mushrooms with hot boiling water, cover it. We're gonna then slice our onions and pepper ingredients here. Just gonna be slicing everything while those mushrooms are soaking in its liquid. Go ahead and peel these carrots. I'm just gonna be using half of it right now, and I'm going to be cutting them into julienne pieces, and this is just how I usually do it. If you have mandolin, you can also do that as well. After half an hour, the mushrooms should be rehydrated. So I'm gonna squeeze out the liquid and start chopping them. In a pan, we're gonna be sauteing each ingredient by itself just for a few minutes until they get a little bit softened. This helps keep the ingredients nice and bright and a bit of bite. And then we're gonna start chopping up our garlic, which we're gonna be using, and also separate the egg white. We're gonna just fry that up. 1 minute on each side, and then same thing with the yolk. Flip it, and I just kind of leave it in the pan for, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. Slice that up as well, just like so. And then we're gonna boil some water and then cook our sweet potato noodles for about 6 minutes. Drain it in your colander and pour cold water over top of it. For the mushrooms, we're gonna marinate it in a bit of dark soy sauce and sugar, about 1 tablespoon each. Chop off the ends of your spinach, put it in your boiling water and blanch it for 30 seconds, rinse in cold water and squeeze out all of the liquid. Marinate the noodles in a bit of soy sauce and sugar, dissolved, and then bring a pan to high heat, add your garlic, stir fry that until softened, and then add those noodles in. We're gonna add a bit more soy sauce, another tablespoon here, toss that together, and add it to the rest of the cooked ingredients. Toasted sesame oil and sesame seeds, and then those chopped scallions, and then get a glove and mix it all up with your hands. Really, really get into it. Go from the bottom. And there you go. There's your japchae. You could eat it cold or hot. Delicious.
If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just in the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see everyone next week. Bye!